Welcome back to Autoscope. Motorhome Kenworth, 2026. A rugged and iconic exterior, this RV's front fascia will be similar to that of Kenworth's iconic truck models, such as the T68 or W9OL. The lengthy front end will make a powerful and eye-catching impression with its large chrome grille and conspicuous hood. Strong, durable materials, likely a combination of fiberglass, steel, and aluminum, will be used to construct the body. The chassis will be extremely sturdy and designed to handle heavy loads and long-distance travel. Chrome elements will be noticeable on everything from the grille and bumpers to the fuel tank and even the tire rims. Bright LED headlights will guarantee optimal visibility. Luxurious and spacious interior. The inside will be spacious, with high ceilings and a design that maximizes the amount of space available. In the living space, there will be an electric fireplace, a fold-down dining table, and an opulent leather sofa that can be turned into a bed. The kitchen will be completely furnished with stainless steel appliances, including an induction stove, microwave, convection oven, dishwasher, and large refrigerator. The countertops will be made of quartz or granite. The master bedroom will be at the rear of the motorhome. It will have a king-size bed, a large walk-in closet, and a flat-screen TV. This RV would be powered by high-performance diesel engines, such as the Paccar MX-13 or Cummins X15, which are also found in Kenworth trucks. These engines will produce a lot of torque and excellent fuel efficiency, and modern automatic transmission, like the Eaton Fuller Endurant HD, will make driving smoother and easier. This RV will have no issue traveling long distances because Kenworth engines and chassis are known for their exceptional longevity. The camper will have a state-of-the-art entertainment system with flat-screen TVs in every room. All of the RV's functions, including the lighting, temperature, tank level, and water system, will be managed by a central touchscreen display, include security cameras, parking sensors, and an alarm system.